Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. 2024 has been a year of artificial intelligence. Throughout the year, we have seen several leaps in the field of AI. And now that we are heading towards the end of the year, I don't have to tell you how important it is for everyone to understand the fundamentals of AI. Whether you are a developer, QA engineer, DevOps engineer, or you might be doing anything in the field of IT, you should learn the basics of AI. But the biggest question is, where do you learn these basics from? How about learning AI using AI? Sounds fascinating, right? It's no longer a fascination because KodeCloud has integrated their AI assistant into their AI courses. So now you can use their practical hands-on lab sessions and also their practice tests integrated with AI assistant. So while using the practical hands-on lab sessions or while doing the practice tests, if you're stuck at any point, their AI assistant, which has the complete context of the lab, can unblock you and it can also suggest you with the next steps. Not only that, the KodeCloud's AI assistant is also multilingual. That means now you can talk to KodeCloud's AI assistant in the language of your choice. How about talking to KodeCloud's AI assistant in Hindi? Let's see. So let's explore the platform and see how AI assistant is integrated into their AI courses. Okay, I've logged into my KodeCloud account and let's head to the courses tab. We all know they have a lot of courses on the cloud native concepts. So let's head to the search bar and search for AI. This will give us the list of the AI courses that they offer. There are some very interesting courses that I see. For example, AI assisted development course, certified AWS AI practitioner, a certification course on Azure AI fundamentals, LangChain. However, if you are a beginner, this is a course that I would highly recommend. Introduction to OpenAI. This specific course not only covers the fundamentals of OpenAI, but it also covers the fundamentals of AI itself. You can learn about transformers, attention mechanism in transformers. You can learn about basic prompt engineering. You can learn about text generation, vision, everything in a structured way. And this course covers the basic things that I explain in our YouTube channel: why, what, and how. After learning the theory part, you can go to their practical hands-on lab sessions. So after every important concept, they have a practical hands-on lab session. These practical hands-on lab sessions are integrated with the AI assistant that I was talking about. Let's explore the lab so that you understand how you can make use of AI to learn AI. Perfect. We have the lab environment ready. To your left side, you have the basic information about the lab. It says, welcome to the basic prompt engineering. And towards the right side, you have a Visual Studio Code that is integrated into the lab environment. So you don't have to use your Visual Studio Code. You can follow the instructions on the left side and run the instructions on the right side. Not only that, this specific lab also creates a OpenAI API key for you. So you don't have to go to OpenAI, create an account, create an API token. Instead, KodeCloud provides you with the API token, which is a great advantage. Okay, so it explains about the API token that it has provided. And then let's go to the very first task of this lab. So it asks us to create a Python environment because the basic prompt engineering that we are going to learn is using Python. In Python programming language, we will learn how to write the prompts to interact with OpenAI APIs. Okay, so I have created the virtual environment. The next step is to source the virtual environment. Let's see if we can source the virtual environment. And then we need to run the pip install OpenAI. Okay, it has downloaded the OpenAI module and OpenAI is successfully downloaded and installed. Let's go with the next step. So as we proceed forward, we might run into issues. When we run into issues, we will use this AI assistant, which can unblock us and suggest us with the next steps. Okay, so the next task is to create a file named AI content gen.py under the OpenAI project. Okay, so this is the project. So under this, I'm going to create a file. Cool. And then it asks us to begin by importing the OpenAI class. Now, I don't know how to import the OpenAI class. Let's assume I'll try something. Import OpenAI and import OS. And let me hit the run button. So there is an issue here. It says module not found error and no module named OpenAI. I'm clueless what exactly is this issue. So what I can do is I can go to the AI assistant, which is integrated into the lab environment, and ask it what is the issue that I am facing. This AI assistant has the complete context of your lab. Even though you don't provide this particular error, it can give you the answer. Where are you exactly blocked? But let's provide it with little more context and let's see if it can help us. Okay, KodeCloud AI assistant is now trying to understand. It says this is your error. So the error is that there is no module called OpenAI, O capital A capital. What you need to do is first you need to run pip install OpenAI, and from there you need to this particular module and use the class named OpenAI. So that is the error that we were facing. We can also ask it further, can you give me the complete import statement? Cool. It has also provided us with the import statement. So you can just copy it and paste the import statement here. So this is how you can use the AI assistant. You can also ask it questions about what exactly is OpenAI module, and it can provide you the details about it, like what is OpenAI module, how you can use this module to interact with the OpenAI APIs. So you get detailed explanation of it. On top of this, the KodeCloud's AI assistant is also multilingual. That means you can talk to KodeCloud's AI assistant in your native language as well. So let me give an instruction to it, or let me just say hello to it in Hindi, and let's see if it understands. Cool. So it responds me back with a greeting message. And let me also ask, what is the issue I'm facing? Copy it and Let's see if it can solve this. If it can respond back to me in Hindi, explaining about the issue that I'm facing. Perfect. So it can respond back in any of the language, in your native language, which you are comfortable in. So this is how you can use the AI assistant. Preferably start with the Open AI course because it covers the very fundamentals of AI. On top of that, if you have a target to be a AI certified engineer, you can also explore the AWS certified AI practitioner or Microsoft certified Azure AI fundamentals. KodeCloud is currently running 50% discount on their AI courses. So if you pick up the KodeCloud AI pack, you can get 50% off. The offer is for the next 4 days or close to 3 days. So you can buy the KodeCloud's AI course within the next 3 days. So you get all of their standard courses, the pro courses, the DevOps playground that they have. You get access to KodeCloud Engineer Pro. Along with that, the AI assisted labs, which we saw, a personalized AI tutor, and multilingual AI. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you so much for watching it. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.